Today, I am going to give you 10 profitable products to resell on Amazon FBA. And this is within Canada, but if you're in the United States or in another country, you can still sell these products on Amazon.ca. If you haven't already expanded into Canada, there is a huge opportunity in Canada, but as we all know, the United States, Amazon.com is where the biggest opportunity is. So I am thinking of starting a group where you pay a monthly fee and I will upload a specific amount of products each week that you can purchase and resell on Amazon. It will be limited to a specific number of people so that not too many people purchase the same items and cause a big competition on each of those ASIN numbers. But let me know in the comments below if this is something you guys would be interested in, because this is something that I can easily do with tactical arbitrage and running the filters and running the searches that I use. But in one of my last videos, I showed you guys how to use the reverse product search. And in this video, I'm going to show you some of the results that I got from the reverse product search and show you guys some profitable products that you can resell on Amazon. And feel free to take any of these. So let's see. First one, Fortnite Squad Mode 4-figure pack. So it's on Toys R Us. Let's see. So we can buy 3 of them. Okay, they're in stock and it'll be free shipping. And then it's a $32 profit each one. Let's see what it is on Amazon.ca. This item is currently selling by a fulfillment by Amazon retail seller for $127.93. So they've sent this product into Amazon FBA and they have 5 in stock. So you can sell this product for, let's see, $32 profit. So you buy 3 of these, what you're allowed to purchase, and that's an easy $100. So that's a really easy profit right there. Go ahead and purchase that and give it a try with sending it into Amazon and see how that one goes. Let's go to the next one. So the next one is Lego, and it's $49.99 on Toys R Us. And you can buy 3 once again. So $49.99, and on Amazon.ca it is selling for $99.99. So double the price after all fees and everything. You can make $27 profit on that one. So buy 3 of those, make another 80 bucks. Pretty easy money, and yeah, that's another profitable product that you can purchase and resell on Amazon. I don't normally give out products that are going to be profitable to resell, but I've run this search and I want to give you guys as much value from this YouTube channel as possible. And so that's why I'm going to give you these 10 products today. And like I said, feel free to purchase them and resell them on Amazon. And also let me know once again in the comments below if you would be interested in like a monthly fee to get profitable products to resell. This is going to be like sort of like a one-time video. I'm not going to be making these all the time, giving away free products, but I just want to show you guys kind of what's possible with tactical arbitrage. And if you haven't signed up already, make sure you click the link in the description below, get that 10-day trial for free, and give it a try for yourself, because it is a very, very powerful software. All right, next one is Lego City Police Command Center. So you can buy 2 of those. They're 60 bucks each. And on Amazon.ca, they are selling, okay, they're selling for lower. So this one is not a good one to buy. Sometimes this does happen because I ran this search a few days ago. Next is, this is on Toys R Us. And once again, you can check right here in the in-stock column whether or not the product's in stock or not. But I'm just clicking on it to show you guys the price and everything. So $49.99, and on Amazon.ca it is selling for $84.50. Okay, so let's see what kind of profit it is. So $8 profit per unit, and you can buy 5. So that's another 40 bucks right there. So what are we at? 100, 180, another 40. We are at about 220 so far. PlayStation Classic, this is on the source. I know you can only buy one of these, so one per customer, and it is a $6 profit. Honestly, not that good, but it will sell really quick. The sales rank is 78, so literally it's a guaranteed like sale nearly right away as long as you're the lowest price. And the next one is Osmo Mind Racers kit. You can buy two of these for $109.99, and there's $6 profit each. So that's another. Let's just double check. So this one lowest price is $155.99. So we can make. See, I think you could actually make more on this one because it hasn't updated. So you'd probably make $15, $20 per unit on this. So if you buy two of those, that's another $30 or $40. And next is the Lego XL Creative Brick Box. So it is out of stock, so just watch this one, wait till it comes back in stock. And once it does come back in stock, then you can make, let's see, you make $12 per unit, and it is selling on Amazon.ca for $126.89. So definitely good ROI on that one, and yeah, you can make some good money on that one when it does come back in stock. Next one is the Lego Duplo 10858, and it's on for $12.99. You can buy two of them, and it's a $6 profit. So let's see what it's selling for on Amazon. Oh, $12.86. So this one's not a good buy. Amazon's come back in stock on it, so skip that one. Next is the Overdrive Super Truck. It's out of stock now, but just watch for that one to come back in stock. It will be a $13 profit per unit. And the lowest price on Amazon is $91.89. So that'll be a good buy once it comes back in stock. Let's see what else we got here. This one's gone out of stock. Let's go to the next page. I'll give you guys a few more because some of them didn't work out. Next is the Lego 10869. There is two of them that you can buy, $80 each, and on Amazon.ca. $139.92 is the lowest price, and it's Prime, so fulfilled by Amazon. So you can send a couple of those in, and let's see how much you can make on those. That's $35, so that's $70 right there. This is really easy money, guys. If you haven't started online arbitrage, or if you haven't started selling on Amazon, like literally, it's just that easy. You purchase this, you send it to a prep center, or you send it to your house. You package it up, you send it into Amazon, and then they take care of all the customer service, the packaging, the prep, the shipping to the customer, everything that you need. And then if you get a negative feedback as a result of the order arriving late or something, Amazon will take that off your account as well because it was fulfilled by them. So it's really a win-win situation when you're dealing with Amazon FBA. And if you haven't started it yet, you guys got to get started on it. Let's do a couple more. So this is the Lego Elves. You can buy two of them, and it's selling for $24.99. And on Amazon.ca, it is selling, lowest price is $44.09. So it's not going to be that great of a profit. It's $6. So up to you if you guys want to go with that one. You could make another $12 or so. The next one is $34.99 Mechano Erector 2-in-1 model set, and it's selling for $34.99 on Toys R Us, and on Amazon.ca $74.84. So you guys can see the markup, you can see the possibility, you can see the potential to make money from purchasing items from Toys R Us, purchasing items that you find using tactical arbitrage, and then sending them into Amazon, whether you use a prep center or whether you send it to your own house and then package it up yourself and send it in. There's definitely a lot of money to be made, and we'll do these last two, and then I will wrap this video up and you guys can get started searching. So this one's on for $9.98, and on Amazon.ca it is selling for $24.55. So this one won't be that great of a profit either. But once again, it is easy money. So this one is $5 profit each. So you can make 10 bucks there. And the last one, 5 nights at Freddy's game, $44.99. Okay, as we can see, when the search ran, it was $22.47, so this one might not be profitable anymore. Well, it might still be, actually. Lowest price, $64.94, so you could probably make a few dollars on this one. It's saying 25 because it was referring to the sale price of $22.47, but in this video, we went over 15 products, probably at least 10 that were actually profitable that you could purchase and resell on Amazon. I just wanted to give you guys kind of a quick overview of the potential of using tactical arbitrage, the potential of using the online arbitrage business model to sell on Amazon FBA and to grow your business from purchasing really low value items and sending them into Amazon and having them take care of all the customer service, all the stuff that you really don't want to have to take care of because it's really time consuming and not the most fun. It's quite monotonous work. So if you're able to send it into Amazon FBA and let them take care of that, then it's well worth the small fee that you pay them to do it. So hope this video helped you guys. Hope you can purchase some of these items and make a profit off them. I would be definitely willing to do some sort of paid group where I'm giving reverse search and product search found items that are profitable to people in the United States, to people in Canada, depending where you're from. I could cater it to kind of whatever you guys want. If you prefer products that would be able to be purchased in the United States that are going to be profitable, then let me know. It would be a monthly fee, and I'd probably limit it to about 20 people so that there's not too many people on each listing so that you're not going to run into too much competition. So let me know in the comments below if that's something you're interested in, because it would be something cool to do and definitely could be very helpful with growing your Amazon FBA business. So hope this video helped you guys, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more.